Welcome to the latest A Course in Business Miracles activation. I am Heather Dominick, creator of BusinessMiracles.com and founder and leader of the Highly Sensitive Entrepreneur Movement. Highly Sensitive Entrepreneurs, or HSEs, are literally coded to be successful coaches, healing practitioners, and creative entrepreneurs. We are everything the world desperately needs right now. Our time has come. And according to the spiritual and psychological teaching of A Course in Miracles, a miracle is defined as a shift in perception, which is exactly what's required for HSE success and what this Business Miracles activation is designed to create for you. So wherever you are, I invite you to allow yourself to be fully present for our time together and this activation experience. Really prepare yourself to receive. Make it a conscious choice demonstrated through action. Let's all take a deep breath in. Deep breath in and let it out. Beautiful. And again, deep breath in and let it out. And one more time for the power of 3. Deep breath, deep breath. And let it out. Beautiful. And now as we continue to breathe deep, I invite you to close your eyes. And if for some reason you're somewhere where you can't physically close your eyes, then just pull down that shade on your inner eye and just feel your attention, energy, and focus turn inward. And together again, let's take in a deep breath, and let it out. And now, with your eyes closed and still continuing to breathe deep, I invite you to really consciously create a connection with your body. Feel yourself in this moment coming into this body, this physical vehicle of your mind and your soul. Deep breath in and let it out. And to support yourself with coming into this physical body in this moment, here and now, I invite you to bring your attention and energy to your feet. Really give all of your focus to your feet. Maybe even take a moment and just wiggle your toes and just feel your feet. Where are they? Are they in shoes? Are they in slippers? Are they in socks? Are you barefoot? What do you feel beneath the soles of your feet? Keep your focus on your feet. Deep breath and let it out. Feeling yourself sinking more deeply into your feet. And as you feel yourself sinking more deeply into your feet, feeling that connection with the earth, with Mother Earth and her gravity anchor, bringing you here, lovingly guiding you to this moment now, reminding you are a physical being. No matter how much your mind wants to convince you otherwise, you are here. So be here. Feel your feet. Deep breath in and let it out. with your eyes still closed. Now feel your attention, energy, and focus moving up from your feet to your seat. Feeling your seat, your bum, your behind. That thing that helps you stay upward when in a chair. Deep breath in and let it out. Feel that seat. Where is that seat? Is it sitting? Is it standing? Is it walking? Is it wiggling? Where is that seat? Feel your tension and energy anchoring you to your seat. Deep breath and let it out. And now feel that attention and energy moving from your seat to the organs that help you to eat. That core center of your physical self. And even take a hand or both hands and place them on your core, the belly area, and feel the power in your center. This amazing machine working on your behalf, working to keep you living and breathing and moving and being. No matter how much you try to worry, distract, feel terrified, those organs keep working. Amazing! Amazing. Deep breath in and let it out. Your feet, your seat, the organs that help you to eat. Here, this body, now, this moment. Deep breath and let it out. And now take that grounded energy of your feet and seat and organs that help you to eat and feel that grounded earth physical energy connect up into your heart. Placing a hand or hands on your heart. Feeling the beat of your heart. Deep breath in and let it out. Continuing to feel the beat of your heart. And as you feel the beat of your heart, there's the recognition in this moment that this is the beat of your business. No you, no business. Deep breath and let it out. Feeling in this moment the wisdom of the heart, the brain of the heart, the guidance that's available through the heart. Deep breath in and let it out. And through the beat of your business, through the beat of your heart, there is a connection to the beat of each and every business, each and every heart in this Business Miracles community of HSEs. How fortunate we are to be here together, to be here in community, to have a space where we can know we are not alone. To have a space where we can know that we are understood. To have a space where we can know that it's safe to practice being seen for who we really are in all of our highly sensitive glory. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And deep breath in and let it out. Awesome. Allow your hands to just gently float back down into your lap. Allow your eyes to gently come back on open. And take a moment just to mark, to notice if you were able to stay with the activation. No right, no wrong, no judgment. Or did the mind take over and beckon you away? Did it lure you into thinking about important things like laundry and if the cat was fed and what you're going to do after this call and what you'll have to eat as soon as you can, or anything else that it tried to convince you of that was oh so important? Part of mastering being a highly sensitive entrepreneur is the path of mastering the mind and using it as a tool. The mind is meant to be in service to you rather than you in service to your mind. Your mind is not the master. In truth, the mind makes a very poor master. So we cultivate the mind as a tool, using it to access what we choose rather than believing that we must react to everything it tries to give us. That in truth, our mind as a tool is available then to support us in managing our energy so that we can be in responsive relationship with the world rather than the limiting beliefs that we're just this pile of messed up nervous system that has to react to every bit of energy that the world tries to throw your way. The mind is a tool. The body is an instrument. You and your heart and your soul are captain, master. You have the ability to choose and to act, to develop and create what you desire, when you desire it, and how you desire it to be of service. Every single moment of every single day. Deep breath in and let it out. Beautiful. My intention is that this Business Miracles activation creates a powerful perception shift for you, a business miracle. And if now you're ready to learn how to use your highly sensitive abilities to really support you in being purposeful, profitable, and empowered, then I invite you to take my free self-quiz to find out if you are indeed a highly sensitive entrepreneur. And if you are, along with your results, you'll receive my free HSE Success Guide, which will teach you how to have your highly sensitive abilities working for you to create the results you desire in your business. Take the quiz and receive your free Success Guide now at www.hsequiz.com, hsequiz.com. Other than that, leaving you with many blessings for the rest of the day, week, into the weekend, and until our next Business Miracles connection.